Nishant Sharma here. In this video, I will show you how to send email to multiple recipients with multiple attachments. But first, you need to enable this setting in your Google account. This will basically allow Python to send email through your Gmail account, and link of this page will be in description. But I recommend you to turn this setting off whenever you are done with your project. So now let's move to the code. You should not name your Python file as email.py as it will clash with the already present email module. Now I will start coding. First I will import SMTP library. Then from email.message I will import email message class. Then I will store my email and password as variables. Then I will create a message object using email message class. After that I will create subject. Make sure you type exactly in this fashion as these are the keywords. After that I will enter the sender's address. Then I will enter the recipient address. For testing purposes, I will enter my own email address. Then I will create the body of the email using set underscore content method. After that, we will connect to the Gmail servers using this command. Then I will enter the port number. Then I will log in using the login method. In this, we need to enter the email address and password. Then I will write the command to send the email. Now let's run this code and send the email. The code ran successfully. Now let's check the email. Here you can see that I have received the email. Here is the subject and here is the body. So now we will send this email to multiple recipients with multiple attachment. So first we will need to create a list which will store multiple email addresses. So this list recipient underscore list contain multiple email addresses whom we want to send the email. Sending the email to multiple recipient is pretty simple. We just need to change this variable with the list containing all the email addresses. So that's it. With this little change, we can send this email to multiple addresses. Now let's write the code to send multiple attachments. But first I will add some files in the directory of this program. So one of the file here is a document, another is a PDF, and two are images, and one is a PowerPoint presentation. Then I will import the OS module, and I will write a for loop for each file in os.listdir. This will basically walk us through each file in this directory. But we will skip on the Python file itself because we do not want to send it as a attachment. Now we will open each file using the context manager. Now I will create a file underscore data that will read the file. And then I will create another variable file underscore name that will read the file name. Now I will add the attachment using add underscore attachment command. So with this the final code is completed. Now I will run this code. Okay, it's showing us an error. Actually this is not a method. So I will remove this brackets. Now we should be good to go. The code ran successfully. Now let's check the email. Here you can see that the mail has arrived. This is the subject. This is the body. And here are all the attachments. So this was the program to send emails to multiple recipients with multiple attachments. I hope you liked it. Please support the channel by subscribing and liking this video. And I will see you next time.